Okay, we'll discuss that. Just give me time to finish this paper, then we'll discuss that question. First, we'll discuss your topics and then we'll discuss the question. Okay, figure 3.1 shows a diagram that represents the blood flow in and out of the three major organs: lungs, kidneys, and liver. What would be the name of blood vessels? Lungs would be, okay, pulmonary vein. R is artery. And the last one, liver, U. And hepatic vein, simple one. Okay, compare the structure of Q and R. Mean you have to give the difference between vein and the capillary. Okay, let's say, एक minute. Pulmonary, we'll write pulmonary vein would have thinner walls. What else? Wide lumen, valves. The walls are less elastic. Okay. And what are the properties of R? While on the other hand, wait. We have to follow the same uh, sequence. Okay, thicker walls, narrow lumen, no valves, and the last one are the elastic walls to withstand the pressure. Okay. Okay, so the next question is, okay, so you need to just check what are S and R. So renal artery and renal vein. The question is related to that. Blood in blood vessel in blood in vessel S has a lower concentration of urea than the blood in vessel R. It has less urea, and this one has more urea. Why do you think so? Correct. Okay. Oh, the 3 marks are not justified. So first point we have written that urea is filtered in kidney, so S has lower concentration of urea. Okay, what would be your point number two? Exactly. Nephrons. Okay, what would be last point? Then this urea. Okay, then this urea is not reabsorbed basically, while the glucose and other are. This is not reabsorbed and is excreted through excreted via urine. Okay. Okay, blood in a vessel U sometimes have higher concentration of glucose than blood vessel in T. So they are talking about the hepatic artery and the hepatic vein. So hepatic vein has more than hepatic artery. Why do you think so? Now, what is the role of liver? We'll describe the role of liver. It actually converts glycogen to glucose when its concentration is lesser. So it means that glucose is added in the or is present in the hepatic vein. This is your point number one. Okay. Second, when glucose level is low, that we have discussed. Okay. What would be point number three? Just now I have explained that this glucose becomes part of blood. and passes through or move to hepatic vein from where it passes to different organs. Okay, what we have told when the glucose level is low in blood, then the liver convert glycogen into glucose with the help of glucagon. You can also write that. Okay, then this glucose move into the blood, which become part of the hepatic vein. Okay, so there are three different points. Okay, let's move to question number 4. Graph is given related to pH, and we have to discuss that.